but okay. So are you? But I am not a means fluent in English. So I am a beginner.
Not an issue. It's okay.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
Okay, yeah. So good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you
What is
doing?
just great. It's a Sunday. It's a holiday. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Today is a Sunday, and we can say that Sunday is a day of enjoying that we can enjoy through our Sunday.
Hmm. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. So as we are meeting first time, so can I know something about you?
Yes. My name is Krishna Rathod. So I'm from Maharashtra. So I live in a Mumbai city. Okay. So what about my qualifications? I have done a graduation for BCom. Yeah. Yes, I have a 2 years experience in IT company. Yes. Some problem. Some my family issues. I lost my job. And then I search a new job. After new year coming, so I find a new job. So I waiting a job.
Okay, yeah, that's very fantastic. So as you're from the Mumbai, and we can also say that it is a famous place. So can I know something about the Mumbai? Could you please introduce something about the Mumbai place?
Yes. I am not a proper Mumbai, so I live in a Kalyan city. Okay, so I am part of Mumbai. So Mumbai is a my place is a far 1 hours far. Okay, S- okay. So I go to Mumbai. So I use the local train, and I go to means Gate of India, Marine Drive. So I visited in my college time. But so whenever you go to Mumbai,
Okay.
so crowd city. Okay, so you face problem, and when you means means you Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus you go, so most crowd in the station. Yeah, that's why.
Okay, yeah.
So most people are there coming all over India. They visited Gate of India and means Ratan Tata means Tata this famous hotel in Mumbai.
Okay, yeah. So have you visited, have you visited whole Mumbai?
Sorry,
Have you visited whole Mumbai?
no. I visited Central Mumbai. I visited yes, I visited Andheri, uh, Andheri Western. There's also two three types of line. Okay, so I live in a central line. Okay, so I go to central line. Andheri side means celebrity are they live their side. So
Okay, yeah. So
yeah,
have you also meet to the celebrities?
no, I no, I don't go to big. Why? So you go and you wait to outside your home. So I not
Yeah.
yes, I only
Yeah, it
watch.
is also difficult. Yeah, it is also difficult to go there. We have to stand a lot for a lot hours. We have to stand
Uh,
outside, and we can also. It is also a rare case that we can meet to them, and there is lots of chances that we will not going to meet with them.
yes. So yes, they so celebrity are walking in the marine drive. Says I people are easily see.
Yeah. You are absolutely right. So I just wanted to know from you, do you like the traveling some places, some other places, like one with so much memorious places, where from we can get a lot of knowledge, or the places like the Mumbai or other places? Do you like to visit such kind of places?
Yes. I love to visit in Mumbai. The marine drive is so famous because you see means you see all see means samud. Okay, and sunrise. The people are yes. I watch in TV. When I go to so full, I enjoy it. So people are sitting in a marine line side. This time is so very cold
Okay,
because
yeah. Okay,
but
so
I
apart from visiting Mumbai, have you visited any other places? Any other state or any other country have you visited apart from the Mumbai?
yes. I visit Andhra Pradesh 2 times. Then I schooling 10th standards. I go to Tirupati Balaji. Then recently I before 2 3 months before I visit August months I visited Tirupati Balaji in Andhra Pradesh. It's a very
Okay.
famous temple in all
I
over
just
India.
think, yeah, I just
Tirupati.
think that we have visited almost the state in our India. I just think like that.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, so I just wanted to know from you, like, what's your hobby? What do you want to do in your spare time? So like, yeah, I just wanted to know from you that what is your hobby? What do you want to do in your spare time?
Yes, my hobbies are change. My hobbies are changing at the time, not a correct time. Then I, in my hobbies, I reading. Okay, then whenever I read, so 1 2 day I read. After that, so I not interest. Then I
Okay,
watching
yeah.
movies. Then I watching movies series. Then I continue watching 1 week. Then I then I watching play cricket. Then I continue playing cricket. So my hobbies not a it's a stable, not a fix.
Okay, I can say, yeah, yeah. There's a lots of also people like whose hobby is not in a, yeah, perfect way, in a permanent way. They are just temporary. They just randomly choose their hobby and just do whatever they just like to do. So I want to know from you, like, you have also already mentioned that your hobby is just a random one. So may I know a specific hobby? Do you have any specific hobby that you do on the regular basis, or sometimes, like, that is a very specific? Can I know something about that?
Yes, yes. This time my hobbies as a go to talk people conversation video. This hobby as a so I practice in. See, this time my hobby this hobby. So in future, so I continue.
Okay, wow. Yeah,
Yes.
it's really very amazing that we are just connecting with other people, and we should be
Yes.
connect to the other people. Like, we will connect to more people, then we can be get a lots of knowledge from them, and we can also see a lot of things. Our society, we can see our culture, our tradition through connecting the other people. So yeah, we can also say that connecting the people is also a very good things. I'm also doing like in my hobby. I just wanted to talk with the people, talk with the new people. I just wanted to have included in my hobby, because I just think that if I'll practice, because I'm so much dedicated to my speaking English language and to practice English language, because I just think that if I'll practice more, then I will not going to face a lot of difficulties. So that's why I just started to practice English language. So yeah, I wanted to know from you, like, you are just, I just, you have already told that your specific hobby is to talk with the people. So like, why do you want to talk with the people? Why are you learning this language? Why do you want to talk with the people? Why do you want to connect with the people?
Yes. Yeah. Because this language is important in your professional life. Okay. So you learn this language, so easily you crack in your communication skills in your future in your growth. Yeah, it's just in language you speak. Means yes, I understand whatever you say. Okay, I understand what you say. Then when speaking, so I forgot in I not so I not come word. It's my mouth. That's why I encourage me. Okay, whatever people thoughts. So you Krishna, you go and you start conversation. You do.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I
Okay,
also.
yeah. So I can say that your problem is casual. They can also say like, the problem that you are facing now, I was also facing when I was a beginner once. At the time, I was facing this problem too. Like, I was not able to speak very well English language, even though in my mind nothing sentences were coming. So at that time, I was facing a lot of problem. I was hesitating a lot. I was fearing in my mind nothing sentences were coming, that what I have to speak in front of anybody, in front of any people. So like, I have been dedicated about the English language, or be passionate about the English language. I just think myself that like, now I'm not better in speaking English language, but one day I will be better. So that's why I was doing a lot of practice. Like, I was also practicing as a beginner one. Like, before 8 to 9 months, I joined to the Skype application only. And when I was a beginner one, at the time I just was practicing a lot in my home. Whatever I was just doing the activity, I was expressing all those things in the English language only. And I can see also that I was practicing with a co-learner in the Skype application, like we are connecting. So I just do at the first time, like from the beginning one, I was doing the video call conversation only. I was not attending the audio call conversation because as I think that if we will face more camera, then we can be overcome of the hesitation. So yeah, so like this, I was practicing at the time, but now just I'm not getting a much time to practice English language, so that's why I'm just here in that Skype application only because I'm a student too. So that's why I'm not getting a much time to practice English language. So that's why I'm just here only doing a practice in the video call conversations in 1.5 hours. That's all.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay, okay. So any okay, network issue, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So do you have any question to me?
Yes, yes. I have one question. So what type of do to practice you speaking? So you do. And
Okay.
so I have knowledge. Okay, what is this meaning? What is this meanings this word? But so I when speaking time, so I forgot this word. Okay, so I have yes. Please suggest me how to thinking in English, how
Okay,
to
okay,
speak in
okay,
English.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, we can say that as you're doing a mistake. So it is a casual one that everybody do mistake in their life. It is a
Yeah.
casual one, and we can see that when we have started something to do, then we will face a lot of difficulties in that. Like we have also like it is like for success also for doing something in our life for success also we have to do a lot of hard work. Behind the success there is a lot of hard work that we have to do, so that's why if we want to achieve something, then we have to learn something. Like if we also wanted to learn English language, then there is needed a lots of hard work behind it. That what we have to do. So for practicing part, we can say that you should follow the LSRW or the beginner one who really wanted to learn English language, they should follow the LSRW. This four pillar is really very amazing. If you will follow like this tip, then definitely you can speak very well English language, like listening, speaking, reading and writing. This four pillar is really very amazing. Like at the first time we have to sacrifices a lot. We have to spend the times on that. Then only we can do something. So that's why you can also go on the social media through which you can easily watch the English stories, English cartoon video, or anything, whatever you just wanted to do. You can watch. Yeah, so you will listen first time, and whatever you have listened at the first time, through the movies, through the cartoon in the English, whatever you have listened, you have to go in front of camera or you have to go in front of mirror. And whatever you have listened, you have to express all those things in front of mirror camera. You will see that I'm not able to speak at that time, but whatever you are doing you have to express all those things. Yeah, well, like we have done the two pillars, listening and speaking. And you can also get the magazine, newspapers or any English storybook through which you can easily go on to read. If you will read, then more idea will come that what I have to express all those things and what vocabulary I have to express. So that's why reading book is also very important for us. And you can also skip the writing part. It is not much mandatory. You can skip the writing part, but three pillar is really very important for us. And the last thing is that we have to just practice a lot. In the Skype application or whatever you are just getting any application, we have to practice a lot with a co-learner. We can we have to choose any topic in that we have to discuss. Also there is needed a practice. We will practice more and more on the regular basis. Like consistency is really very important, plays an important role in our life. So that's why like today I'm just speaking English language, I'm practicing. Then it is not like that after 10 days I will start to speak again English language. We will not get any benefit from this. Like today I have started to speak English language, then it is mandatory to speak tomorrow also. So if the people they will follow like this step, then definitely they can learn very well English language. That's all.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Because before day, so I not go to any conversation in front of people. Then I increases this. I means I know well what is the meaning. Then as increase myself. Okay, so Krishna, you go if you face in front of people. Then you then you start practicing. So one day you become speaking fluently. You achieve. Yeah.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. So as I think that we have covered all those things, so shall we wrap up the session now?
Sorry.
Shall we wrap up the session now?
Yes, yes, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, so thank you so much for giving me such a valuable time that I have to speak with you. So thank you so much, Pat. We will meet in our next video.
Please 1 minute. So you upload this in YouTube.
Yeah, definitely.